Hey, what is up guys, this is Taha from taha.dev and here I'll be sharing my coding experience, what I have learned so far, what I am learning right now and other tech related stuff. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. And make sure to stick around to the end of this video because I have something for you that will help increase your knowledge and save time. So let's get started. So let's open the VS Code from the folder and go for extensions by clicking it or Ctrl plus Shift plus X. And now search for auto rename tag. I have downloaded all the extensions that I use on daily basis, so you just have to install them and follow me. Now open the Explorer and create a new file to test these extensions. You can type ! to auto-generate HTML document in VS Code. Now let's change the title of our web page as it shows on the tab of our web browser. I am creating h1 tag and writing hello YouTube, okay, but if I change it to h2, the second tag will automatically rename itself. Let me change it to h3 or h4. And you don't have to change both the tags separately. Now let's go back to extensions and type bracket pair colorizer and you have to install it. Now let me show you how this extension will change all the bracket colors so you don't get confused. Let's make a small script because we work with so many brackets in JavaScript. Var A is equal to 5 and var B is equal to 6, and now you can see different colors of brackets like yellow, pink and blue. Now search for live server and install it. After you have installed it, just right click on the editor and click on open with live server and it will start the live server. But how this live server works? The browser will reload itself, so you don't need to reload the page again and again to see the changes you have made. And now let's go back to extensions and type live Sass compiler. So what does live Sass compiler do? Let me show you. First of all, download the extension and create test.scss file, and in Sass you can actually assign variables like we do in JavaScript and give them values. Sass is an extension to CSS and reduce repetition of CSS and therefore saves time. Like here I am defining font color and background color like a variable, and you can see that we can nest elements within the body. And now let's watch Sass. The live Sass compiler generated test.css file, and here I am just going to change the color to red, and there you go. Now let's get back to extensions and type material icon theme. There are so many icon themes out there, but currently I am using material icon theme. You can see these icons, they are looking good. And the color theme I am using for this editor is material theme. There are many other themes like Sublime, Atom and others. And I told you that I got something for you, and yes, you heard it right. You can download the cheat sheet for VS Code shortcuts down in the description. Let me know in the comments below that which is your favorite extension and why. Make sure to hit the subscribe button somewhere on this page so you can get more videos like this one in the future. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.